Hello mates, today we are on Hellcase. Just head to the promo code section, use code MEGA and secure that extra 10% bonus free money. Today we are pulling quarter billion, just quarter billion. And then we will try my luck. Okay, let's start. Okay. I prefer quarter billion and I am pulling first. Okay. I am trying to case at 10. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Okay. I'm afraid not my nightmare, it's work, okay. Doesn't matter. I am trying. We have a $400 and I am trying again. I am believed in this case, okay? I am trying for, okay? Okay. Come on. Oh no. Interrogale. I'm afraid. Okay, it's work for me. Okay. I'm trying again. One. Okay, come on guys. Okay. Come on, orange did that. It's work. Doesn't matter for me. I'm trying my chance, okay. Not that for me. I'm buying 2 cases and then this Hellfire, I'm afraid. Okay, Hellfire, it is work for me. I am very happy today. I am very lucky today. I feel it. I am trying again. Okay, come on, let's start. Come on. What? I'm afraid. Decimeter. I'm afraid. Okay. I am not luck in this case. Okay, I'm trying again. I believe I win. Okay, I believe. What is that? What the fuck is this? It can be real. Okay. I'm trying 10. What do you think is this? Okay, I'm trying huge. Okay. Kumicha Dragon. Okay. Not bad for me. I'm trying again. Come on guys. What the fuck is that? Code red? What the fuck is that? Code red? Okay, code red. I love it. I believe I am winning. What the fuck is that? It can't be real. No mistake. Okay. Come on guys. Come on. What the fuck is that? I can't believe it. Okay. I am trying 10 case. Come on, what the fuck is that? Come on. Oh no, nightmare or beats, I'm afraid. It just doesn't work for me. What the fuck? It has been nice, but not very huge item. I'm buying again. I believe it. Okay. What the fuck is that? Okay. Very bad. I am losing in this case, but I am totally winning. You can see my total balance and what's going on. Okay. I want this. I'm lasting. I am trying last 10 cases. Okay, last 10 cases. I am very excited for these cases. I feel it's very huge items. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. What the fuck is that? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh no, oh no way, bro. Ain't no way. I hate him. I hate this case. Okay. Thank you for everything. Thank you for watching for me. See you later.